Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make my saltfish fritters. These are the ingredients and I will list them in the description below. First, we had our chopped seasoning to the bowl. You can add Scotch bonnet pepper. However, whenever I'm making it for my children, I do not add any Scotch bonnet pepper to it. Then we had the saltfish, flour, then some powdered seasoning. Give it a stir. Start adding the water. And we do so gradually because we don't want to get too much water into it. We want to get the right consistency. So just a little bit more water. And that's good. So we want it. It's time to start frying our fritters. We eat the oil and we just start dropping our fritters. I like to spread them out a little bit. After I drop them in the oil, I use a spoon to spread them out a bit. And they'll cook faster this way. Saltfish fritters is a Jamaican thing. You can get saltfish fritters to buy in almost every Jamaican restaurant, but you can make it at home too. Just allow them to fry, usually about 3 minutes before we start flipping them. Just look at your fritters in the frying pan. When you see around the edges like this, the edges start getting brown, then you know it's time to start flipping them. So we're flipping our fritters, and after you flip them, then the other side takes less time to cook. The other side fries faster. I like my fritters on the crispier side. So if you don't like yours crispy, then you can remove them from the oil earlier. Flip them, and when they're nice and golden brown, your fritters are ready. They're easy to make. Nice, tasty, a really nice treat for snacking. Saltfish fritters sandwich with Ardo bread for breakfast. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.